Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Planarista 101. So today we are going to be planning in my journal, which happens to be the Wild Floral Classic Size Happy Planner. We are going to be planning for the week of the 17th through the 23rd of May. So here we go. And I am going to be using some new sticker books. So I wanted to use these teacher florals. So there's two sticker books called with the same name. So there's one that's 5 sheets, and then there's a classic size value sticker pack. So I am going to go ahead and start planning with these. I think they're so lovely and I can't wait to use them. So I'm gonna start with adding this pretty big chunk into my planner. And while I'm doing this, I wanted to say thank you. If you are subscribed to my channel already, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And if you are brand new, welcome. I hope you really like it here. Okay, so I am just removing minimizing the lines to place the sticker, but looks like I'm gonna have to do some more work. Stickers, white large. That's really lovely. So I would like to be able to include it. So let's go ahead and keep working on this. Let's see. And even though this is teachers and it says something like what we learn becomes a part of who we are, I really like this, and I really like the color palette, and I can kind of write stuff around it. So I really don't mind the way that looks. And then I'm gonna grab this and put it on this side. Maybe I won't even need this one. Let's see if I can just use this little sticker book and complete my spread, because that is entirely possible. Let's see. These colors are just so warm and lovely. I'm actually pretty excited to be able to use this. Okay. How about that? I think that looks good already. So I will most likely be using these florals. So maybe I might have to use this book after all, but let's see. These are truly so lovely. I didn't expect to like them as much as I do. Now I wish I got more of that book. But since it was teacher, I wasn't thinking I'm going to be using it as much as that's going to happen. So probably I'm going to have to pick up another one, at least eventually. Oh, that's so lovely. Okay, let's add this. Okay, like so. Oh yeah, I think that works quite well. So pretty. And I still have quite a bit of writing room, so I'm gonna keep going. And let's see. these are awesome. But maybe I want to stick with these pinks and reds. Okay. Let's see, maybe I can add like that. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I am going to add a few boxes from here with the same florals and the same color scheme. Especially boxes like this with the background. I think they're so awesome. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Maybe this could be my flowers are always a good idea, aren't they? I agree with my planner. What if I did this and this became my gratitude list? Let's see. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna grab my tweezers actually. And I'm gonna pull a few of these like orange and yellows and add them in here as well. This one can kind of act like a frame, like so. If I do this, yeah, that looks good. Well, let's keep it. I might still need it. Yeah, that looks really, really good. I need to add a few more items. Okay, and now we have the flowers. These are quite large. Oh, these are beautiful. Holidays. Okay, free day. Midterm. Okay. I see. So they are a little bit teacher geared, but I really don't mind them because they are beautiful. Okay. Let's see. Oh, these are awesome. So I need to add a couple boxes and stuff around here. And then probably a couple quotes and flowers. So let's start working on this and finish it up. Okay, I can add this. Maybe to the bottom. Like this. That matches. I need to bring some more gold into here. You are doing really great. What if I did this like right in the middle, like so? That's crooked. And these are linked. Okay, let's peel this up just slightly. I definitely want to keep this orange slash peach slash pink sticker combo, and the green leaves and the edges. I'm not going to be touching the edges. I think that's actually very appealing. So I'm going to add, what should I add? Maybe I can add this, but then if I add another greenery, it's going to look different. So let's take a look. Okay, so maybe like that. No, that's too big of a tail. Okay. Well, that's kind of cool. The kind of peacocky. Okay, let's add that. Then a little bit of this side, and then tiny bit of this side, and that looks quite interesting. I do need something for right here, and then I'm gonna add a couple boxes, and I think that might be it. Let me see what. Oh, maybe one of these. Like this one's so different. Okay, let's see. I really love my journal planner because it's more or less of kind of a free fall for me. So that means I get to do kind of unpredicted spreads because there is no rhyme or reason. I never know what's going to happen in a week. So whenever I'm doing this, I'm always guessing. I'm gonna add a few of the boxes from here. Maybe like 3. So let's add one here to break this up. Let's add one middle of Sunday. Maybe right at the edge of the page. Maybe too far. Okay. Let's see. I'm so lucky that these come off pretty easily. I haven't pressed them in hard enough yet. So, okay, I'm gonna do that right at the edge, like so. Okay, what do you guys think? I think that's pretty cute. Okay. And then I'm gonna add one right here on Monday, and then maybe I can add one like right here to break this up, and one right here. And then one here. Oh, that's so different. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I'm going to be filling this in yet, but it's so much fun looking at this. It's just so bright and whimsical and really different. Okay, well, there you have it. So most of this was created with this little 5-sheet sticker book, which is also called Teacher Florals, and then finished off with this one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me creating in my journal, and I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me. Bye!